Okay guys, we're still here at Batangas Racing Circuit for the second round of the Philippine Motorcycle Championship, and we just witnessed history in the making. Yan. Of course, yung history na nangyari kasama si Jack ang gumawa ng history, no? Hindi po siya ng gulo or what this time. Hindi po ng gulo. Actually, Jack just finished for the first time in the history of Philippine Motorcycle Championships, no? Sa Superbike division, Jack finished number 1, the first lady who finished first. Yon. So, Jack, kamusta yung race mo? Race 1, medyo nagkaroon ng konting mga issue, no? So, anong nangyari?
No, race 1, it was a battle between me, Kuya Patrick, nung na-DNF na ako, sabi ko sana, sabihin ko sana kay daddy na not to race anymore kasi DNF na nga ako, wala na nga akong points. Pero bago ko sabihin sa kanya yun, inisip ko yung lahat ng pagod ko, pagod ng team, pagod ng lahat for this event. Kaya bakit ko sasayangin, pwede naman ako bumawi.
And syempre, balita ko, dinedicate mo to doon sa isang bunso, no?
Yeah.
Kay Des, unfortunately, had a crash during the first race, no? First race. And totoo nga ba, dinedicate mo ba to?
Oo naman, para sa kanya yun. I even wore her suit kasi ganun ko siya kamahal.
Actually, on a serious note, ako kanina, I was, of course, we were covering the race, and for some reason, I was really close to tears. Nag-breakaway siya, ang layo po ng agwat niya doon sa sumusunod, no? And sa akin, kasi syempre, teammate ko yung kapatid nito dati, si Maiko, no? And it was really a very important moment for Philippine motorcycle history, no? Na si Jack being the first lady rider to cross the line, number 1, no? And with a commanding lead. Ano pakiramdam, Jack?
Siguro for me, parang syempre fulfillment na ako yung first lady sa parang PSBK na category, pero in the eyes of every
There's more pa.
There's more.
Yung pancake dun sa kanto.
Ay, yung pancake sa kanto, yung kulay dilaw.
Anyway guys, there you have it. The first lady of Philippine Superbike Racing, none other than Lady Jack Buncio, sister of legendary racer Maiko Buncio. Again, remember, it's not what you drive, it's what drives you.